Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Hafsa's Amazing Ideas. I'm Hafsa. This is my first video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple craft game on Scratch 2.0. It is a freeware and can be downloaded over the internet. Let me show you a glimpse of the game, how it actually looks after we script. You need to collect the apples in the basket and the score is recorded accordingly. To start the game, you need to click the flag, the green flag on the top, and to stop, you need to click on the red button on the top beside the green flag. So let's see how we play. To move the basket, we need to use our right and left arrow to catch the apples, and the score is recorded accordingly. You can add more apples to your game. Once you have downloaded the Scratch 2.0, open it by clicking on the Scratch 2.0 icon on the desktop and open it. After that, you can see the file, edit, tips and about on the ribbon. You can see more useful icons which are duplicate, delete, grow, shrink and help. So now we will talk about the tabs under the grow option. One is the scripts where you will find useful blocks to build your script. Next we go to your costume and then you will find the costume of the sprite you have. In Scratch, characters are called as the sprites. We will go to the sound and you will find some sounds. Here you will find a preview area where you can preview your projects, and here you will find the sprites area under it. There is new sprite and where you can make your own new sprites, and here is the backdrop which gives the background of the project. So first let me delete this cat. This cat appears automatically on your screen, and now we will go to the new script. In this sprite area, click on the sprite and click on the things, click on the apple and click on OK. Your apple is ready. Let me shrink it a bit and then we go to the sprite area and bowl. So I have this bowl. I need to make the bowl a bit bigger, and so I will click on the grow my bowl. Next step, you need to start your code. So first we will right click duplicate the apples. Then you have 3 apples on your screen. You can scatter them all. Click on one original apple and click on the events in the scripts area. You need to click on the scripts tab and then go to the events. And after that, drag the when flag click. When you do this, you will get the option to click on the green flag to start our project. And next, we will go to the sound and click on the play sound pop. If you don't have the sound, you can go to the sounds tab, click on the choose sound from the library, and you can find it in the You can find it in the sound library. So next, the pop sound is for making the pop effect of sound. Next, we will uh, go to the data, make a variable, and click the variable and change the variable name to score, because we are going to make a score tab, and make sure it is checked for all sprites and click on OK. Now after you do that, you can see a small rounded rectangle has appeared on your screen in the preview session. And next, you can go to the events area and drag the when clicked. And next, you can go to data and click on the set score to 0. After that, go to the event section again in the scripts tab, drag the event flag click, and then click on the motions. You need the apple to move on the random places, not in the dimensions you have given it to. So, we will drag the go to mouse pointer, click on the small drop down arrow and click on the random position. It will take the apple to a random position. And after that, drag the set y to, and you have the 0 already set it as default. You just need to change it to 180. Next step, you need to go to the motion and drag the change y by -5 and you need to go to the if y position in the in the con- in the controls tab. It is if then, but you will need to make it if y position. We need to go to the operators and drag the bigger than sun. Go to the motions and return the y in the first one and type -170. So we will drag the go to random positions and set y to and set y to 180. So we need to every time repeat the same process every time, but we can, instead of doing this, we can simply add and forever tag in the from the controls section and go to the forever instead of writing the code each and every time again. Next, we will we will go to the event section and drag when green flag clicked. After that, we will go to the control session forever. We will drag it from there and go and bring the if then inside the forever bar. Go to the sensing, then touching mouse point and drag the touching mouse pointer question mark. Click on the drop down arrow and click on the bowl. Next, we will go to our data section and change score. We will drag the change score by 1. And after that, go to the motion, go to the mouse pointer, drag it, click on the small drop down arrow and click on the random position. Click after that, drag the set y to 0 and change it to 180. After that, go to the sound and play sound pop. So now we can start our, but we need to every time be dragging the bowl. But we need an easy shortcut to do it. So first we will start the game, go to the bowl section and go to the event section. Drag when green flag clicked and go to the control section and drag forever. Go to the if then and put it inside the forever. After that, it is and after that, go to the sensing and key space pressed. Drag the key space pressed question mark. Drag it inside the if then and click on the small drop down arrow and click on the right arrow. After that, go to the motion section and then go to the move, change x by 10. And after that, go to the control section, drag the if then and then go to the sensing, drag the key space pressed question mark and then click on the left arrow and after that go to the motion path motion and then change it to -10. After that, you need to do each and every step again in each of the apples, but you can simply duplicate the script. Go to the when flag click, right click and duplicate and click on the apple which you needed it to go and do each and everything with the every apple. I'm even doing it for apple 3 and apple 2 and then I think we have given all these scripts for the apple 3, yeah, and it's done. but the background looks a bit plain. Let's go to the new backdrop, click on the backdrop icon and you will enter to the backdrop library. You can choose any backdrop you want. I will choose the brick wall too and click on OK. So your brick wall is ready in your backdrop. Now you can play this game by clicking on the full screen and start. We will have the apples falling in the random positions. Let me start this game. And sometimes what happens that in the mouse your right would be not working. So you just need to recheck all the script if you have done it correctly or not. You just don't need, if there is some problem, like if the F code is going inside the if again, then drag it under the if and then your ball will be ready to move right or left. If your if then is not at the correct place or one if is inside another if, just drag that if out. Then your keys would work. Click on the green flag and you can move your pawn anywhere. And see your score is increasing every time. So your game is ready and you can be playing with it.